Hi, Jennifer Holmes here, President of MIS Solutions with Liam. And what are the top 5 reasons that most people consider moving to the cloud?
So the top 5 reasons why people typically move to the cloud is number one, just straight cost. It's less expensive to move to the cloud than it is to continue to buy servers and to buy software and then to rebuy them every few years. So number one is really just cost. Number two is geography. So if you have a business that either has multiple locations, or maybe you have a mobile sales force, or you have people who work at home and you need to be able to work wherever you are and get rid of the geography out of that, then typically the cloud is a good idea because it removes that complexity out of the geography for your business.
So really anywhere, anytime access.
Really anywhere, anytime access, right? Number three is, most people don't know this, but the cloud tends to be faster than if you actually have a server on-premise. And the reason for that is simply that the servers that you have in the data center that are providing the horsepower in the cloud tend to be bigger, better, and faster servers than what you would typically buy in your office. So it tends to be a little bit faster than buying on-premise solutions. Number four is really security. Obviously in a cloud where you need to put it in a data center and there's controlled physical access and there's humidity and electricity and failover and UPSs and generators and all these kinds of things, security tends to be a little bit better. And of course, I guess that leads to number 5, which is disaster recovery. In a data center, you tend to have better disaster recovery, and a cloud offers you some flexibility and some redundancy in terms of what you would do if you were to have failed hardware or you needed to do an upgrade or those kinds of things. So really, those are the 5 reasons. It's money, geography, it's faster, it's better security, and the disaster recovery tends to be a little bit better.
Great, thank you. If you have further questions about cloud computing, or maybe you have an event where you need to consider cloud, like a trigger event, maybe you're facing a large network refresh and you want to look at cloud as a possible option, that's a great time to look at it. We're happy to be a resource for you. If you have further questions about cloud computing, don't stress. Call MIS.